Hey guys, welcome to NLA channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to change motions in Blender on your objects which you download from any website. So guys, as you can see here, right now we have this giraffe on the Sketchfab website, and from here you can see this object have different motions and animation. So we can just simply change animations here. But when we download this in our Blender, we don't have any option to change its animation. Suppose if we want this giraffe to be running in our Blender scene, so if we import it there, it will not be running. Instead, it will be in a static pose or it will be in any other motion. So let me just show you how to fix that. First of all, we just simply download it. So I'm gonna download the GLB format because of textures. So we just simply have to import it in our Blender scene. So there guys, you can see we downloaded the running animation preset, but it's not playing the running. There you can see we downloaded this running animation, but it's the different one. So how we can change it, I'll just show you. So first of all, go to Animations tab and open Dope Sheet. If you don't see it there, just simply open the Dope Sheet and go to Action Editor. Once you're in Action Editor, just select your object from there or simply select it from the viewport. And guys, there you'll see the name of animation. You can just simply search for the animation that you wanted, or you can just find it from here. If we want the running animation, so I'm going to select this loop run mode. So guys, there you can see we have selected the running animation, but it's not working. So simply select your bones and after that select your animation, and there you can see it's working now, but its orientation is changed. So we can just simply fix it like this, and there we go. So guys, this is how you can change motions in Blender on your downloaded objects. So thanks for watching. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up.